Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show how to fix Steam family sharing not showing games. This is a common problem that can happen due to authorization issues, account settings, device restrictions, or Steam synchronization errors. The good news is that there are several quick fixes that usually restore access to shared games within minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Steam family sharing not showing games. First, make sure family sharing is enabled on the lender's account. Open Steam on the account that owns the games, click Steam in the top left corner, select Settings, then go to Family. Verify that family sharing is turned on and that your computer is listed as an authorized device. Next, sign out of Steam completely on both accounts. Close Steam, reopen it, sign in to the game owner's account, then sign out and log back into the account trying to access the shared library. This refreshes the sharing permissions. If the games still do not appear, reauthorize the device. On the owner's account, go back to Settings, Family, remove authorization for the device, then authorize it again. After that, restart Steam and check your library. You should also verify that the games support family sharing. Some titles cannot be shared due to publisher restrictions, subscriptions, third-party launchers, or anti-cheat requirements. If only certain games are missing, this may be the reason. Another fix is to clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam Settings, select Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, then sign back into your account when prompted. You can expand that section like this. If multiple users are trying to access the shared library at the same time, Steam may temporarily block access to shared games. Steam family sharing generally allows only one person to use a shared library at a time. If the game owner starts playing any game from their library while you're using shared content, you may lose access or the games may disappear from your library. Ask the owner to completely exit Steam and stop any active game sessions. Then restart Steam on your account and check whether the shared games reappear. Another important step is to make sure Steam is fully updated. An outdated Steam client can sometimes cause synchronization problems, authorization errors, or issues detecting shared libraries. To check for updates, restart Steam and allow it to download any available updates automatically. Once the update is complete, reboot your computer to ensure all Steam services restart properly and any cached family sharing data is refreshed. After trying these solutions, the shared games should appear in your Steam library again and be available for download or play. If they still don't show up, the issue may be related to a specific game's sharing restrictions, account eligibility requirements, or a temporary Steam server problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.